a great choice today with the 2020
Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, floor mats, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Come see the car for yourself.